Hello, this is Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We just received this 2025 Boston Whaler 22 Dauntless. The boat's got a lot of room up here in the bow. It's got a nice anchor locker up forward, rigged for a trolling motor. And then you also have storage compartment here that can be used as a fish box. This boat has the table option that can be mounted here. Some nice little lights on the forward. Then also this opens up, gives you tons of storage in the bow, and your table's located there. It's really deep in there. It's quite surprising. It also has a pass-through for fishing rods that go into the console. So this boat's powered by 250 Mercury V8 Verado. This one has the upgraded Yeti cooler. The seats flip up in this position, or down in this position, so good casting deck, good fishing area back here. Rod holders across the back and across the back of the T-top. Also, this boat's equipped with a Simrad, GPS, fish finder system here, J&L audio, Lenco trim tabs, and then you have a little glove box here. Convection charger for your phone, and plugs here for USBs, and then also for your phone. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Chet Porter, MarineMax Savannah. This is a 2025 22 Dauntless. Give us a call, 912-525-0961. Thank you.